It's a brand new year and a great opportunity to re-engage with our commitment to drawing. Welcome to Sketch Endeavor. Roll that intro. Welcome to the drawing room. My name's Andrew. It is a pleasure to have your company once again. And if you're new here, this is the channel where we talk about all things to do with art, oil painting, and in this special series, drawing. Now I'm bringing Sketch Endeavor back. You might remember I had a few episodes that I released maybe over a year ago, I think was the last episode. And I've had some people get in touch with me going, Andrew, what's up? Did you keep up with the daily challenge of drawing? And I'd have to say, no, I didn't. I started off with the best of intentions, but you know how it goes. You make a commitment and then things happen and you just let it go. So look, no excuse. I have no excuse. But really what I'm trying to do here is just reaffirm that commitment that I made to myself and just get back into it and just start sketching again. Because there's one thing that I found is when I sketch more, my paintings get better. So I'm really gonna make an effort this year to try and just re-engage with that daily habit of drawing. And I'm gonna try and shoot for at least an hour a day. If I can swing 2 hours, I'm just gonna go for it. So I'm looking forward to bringing you more episodes of Sketch Endeavor over 2022. Now in the early episodes of Sketch Endeavor, I stated that I was going for 10,000 hours because that's a common thing that's out there, is that you need that amount of time to become a master of anything. But I just thought it was kind of a cool number to shoot for and just go, what would happen if I just put in 10,000 hours? Now, some people will achieve mastery a lot quicker than others. I hope to never be at the end of this journey. I know there's so much to learn and I'm gonna be constantly growing. Every time I hit the canvas or the drawing board, there's something new to learn and something new to get inspired by. So even though that's a goal that's just kind of out there and I'm shooting for it, I'm really just gonna focus on the day. Each day is gonna present me with a new opportunity. I'm just gonna go for it in that day and just try and get into the sketching and get into a really good headspace creatively so that I can approach the easel with some newfound confidence and enthusiasm. So I hope you join me in this challenge, this daily commitment to drawing, and let's see what 2022 brings. Now here in this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you a bit of a time lapse here. I couldn't think of a better way to start this off than sharing with you a drawing of my son, Hugo. Now Hugo was born about 3.5 months ago, but I have this picture that I took when he wasn't home for very long, and I got this photograph of me holding him. So I'm holding him with one hand, taking a shot with the iPhone, but what I've actually done is combined 2 different images to make an interesting composition where both my hands are around him and just his little hand over my thumb. I just thought that was just so adorable. So I wanted to make a drawing of it and give it to my wife as a gift. So here in this episode, I'm going to be sharing with you a time lapse of how I'm drawing this. Now, if you ever want to know the materials that I'm using in these episodes, you'll always find them listed in the description box down below. So this is going to be a really nice chilled out drawing session. I hope you enjoy. Thanks so much for spending this time with me here in the drawing room. I really hope you've enjoyed this episode. I look forward to bringing you another episode of Sketch Endeavor very, very soon. Bring on 2022. Let's re-engage that commitment to drawing daily. And let's see how that can help us improve our painting. I'll see you in the next episode.